Hey, I'm Mr. Bird, and I teach biology and health for Achieve Virtual Education and Ben Davis Extended Day. And I also teach biology for Vincennes Career Academy at the Ben Davis Ninth Grade Center. I've been teaching at AVE for 9 years, summers included. I choose to teach at AVE because of the incredible opportunity to provide alternate solutions for exceptional students. I came up with that myself. What is the most important part of telling a joke? Timing. It's a thinker. Take two. What is the most important part of telling a joke? Timing. When you think that you are lost or confused about any situation in life, stop and take a few deep breaths and think through the things that you do know. You may surprise yourself that you know way more than you think.